Hey there, welcome to another Python video tutorial with myself, Joey De Silva. Today we are going to be creating a tutorial going over one of the practice assignments. So I already coded out some comments to help us, and we are going to be doing the student gradebook. We're going to be making that. So let's go ahead and hop into PyCharm and take a look. So first things first is we're going to create a dictionary of all the names and then the scores. So let's go ahead and make students. Students will equal, need one of these brackets. And then we need this bracket and name. And we're going to make the first name equal. What are we going to make the first name equal? Let's go ahead and pull this up on the side here just to help us with this part. First name is going to be Ava. And comma. Make scores. And this is where we'll make our little list. Let's see, Ava got an 85, a 90, and an 88. So 85, 90, 88. Nice job, Ava. Pretty good score. And we'll copy and paste these to make them a lot quicker, because that would get annoying. And let's tab out, tab out, tab out. Perfect. Now we've got Frank. And Frank got a 56, a 45, and a 67. Not too hot, Frank. That's okay though. 56, 45, 67. Next up we have Grace, and Grace got a 78, 77, and 75. So she's going to be shooting for a C average. Alright, Grace. And finally we have Harry, who's shooting with a 90, 92, and a 94. So probably somewhere in the A average. You have to assume. Okay, so first things first is what do we need to do? Square through task. Okay, yeah. So we're gonna create our loop first. We'll go ahead and make for. So we just have to make something up. Student. For student in students. This is in the dictionary. Now, this is what tripped me up, and I'll tell you what tripped me up about it later. But right now, let's go ahead and create the variable. So we'll make average scores. Or score. And that's going to equal the sum of student. Again, student is not defined yet, so it'll probably highlight after this. And we need scores. Alright, this is what trips you up. Where's the bracket supposed to end? So the bracket ends right here, and then I divide that by length. See, earlier I was dividing this by 3, and it just left student undefined, so I have to figure out the length function, and it's pretty simple. It's just like the length of 1, 2, 3. So length of student, and then we make a bracket. This is where we put in scores again. And yeah, there we go. And that is the variable for average score. Then we're going to create grade. And right now for grade, we're just trying to make it defined. So that's it. If we'll tell grade what it needs to be. So if average score is greater than or equal to 90, then it's going to equal A. Grade will equal A. And this is where you define grade. And we'll go ahead and copy and paste this right here. make that elif. That's annoying. And we'll go ahead and copy, paste, copy, paste. And then what's this? Else statement. Copy, paste. Else. Alright, let's go through these and make sure they are correct. So if average score is greater than or equal to 90, it's an A. If average score is greater than or equal to 80, it's a B. If average score is greater than or equal to 70, it's a C. Right? Is that how? Yeah. And then, yeah, if it's greater than or equal to 60 in college, it's a D. Okay. And if it doesn't equal any of this, 100 through 60, then it's going to be an F, who most likely is going to be Frank. Alright, so now for the last step is we're just going to print all that out. So print, I think this is where we define student again. Student, and then I need our name, the name of the student. Yeah, print student's name. Oh yeah, and then I added this thing. Space. Add grade. Okay. Alright, well I probably should have done that in full screen. Sorry about that. Let's go ahead and run it. And we got an issue. Where's our issue at? File. Name Frank scores. Alright, let's see. Why is that an issue? Probably because I didn't put a comma right here. That's got to be it. Got another issue. If average score, we didn't put semicolons. See, you see those little red lines. These help like tell you where your issues are in pie chart, which are really helpful. Anything else? All right, this should be it. Nope. B is not defined. Yep. And we forgot to put quotation marks everywhere. Bit of some sloppy coding. I apologize. Now let's run it. Again, another issue. Name student is not defined. Okay, why is that an issue? Probably because I spelled it wrong. That's why. There we go. Okay. Finally. Sorry about that. As we can see, Ava is getting a B. Frank's getting an F. Makes sense. Grace is sitting at a C. As you can see, she's probably sitting at like a 76.8 anyways. And then Harry is sitting at an A. I think it's pretty clear. Overall, this assignment wasn't too bad. No real need for functions here. Just kind of learning how to create a dictionary and then learning how to call the dictionary, which was a bit confusing for me because I don't know, I guess I never used the length function, so I had to kind of figure that out. But other than that, pretty simple stuff. I will turn in the rest of the practice assignments with my code. So, thank you, and have a good one.